We're gonna do the oil change on this 200cc Venom Min Jeep. And the first step we have to do is we have to find this screw right here. It's gonna be a 17 millimeters. Usually it has a mark right here, but yeah, it's this one. Make sure don't take another one. Okay, we're gonna put our oil pan right here. Boom. And then take the bolt. Damn, this oil is pretty new. Nice. Okay, now all the oil is out. So we need to make sure we put another washer, a brand new one. The special one for this to seal this part of the engine. And then we put the bolt and put it back right here. Okay, so we just have to tighten the bolt same way as when you take it out. Okay, right there. Okay, right here we're ready. And then what I like to do on this one, you don't have to, but I'm gonna do it anyways. Is I'm gonna let all the car on the same level, but I'm gonna take out this wheel right here. So that way I'm gonna have access a little bit easier to deposit that one right here. You see that little cap? Yeah. So I'll be back. Now we have access to this section right here. Wow. Okay. Here's the deposit. I can take this little cap. Okay, so what we have to do is we're gonna put oil and make it go on this level, this side right here. And now we're gonna put the oil. We like to use a synthetic brand. Actually, it's not a name it brand, but we like to use a full synthetic for first stroke. This is the size 10W40. And you can use another one. You can use any other motorcycle oil, mineral, whatever. But always, if you want to have like a healthy engine, you have to put like something like synthetic. So we're gonna use this one. And then we'll be good. Okay, I don't put all the bottle in, so I leave like a little bit to make sure I don't put more or less. So I'm gonna check the level. Remember, we don't have to lift a lot the mini Jeep, because you're gonna find different results on this thing. So you have to bolt it. We're gonna take it out and see where's the mark. We are just on the level. Should go right here, and we're right there. Okay. And we're just gonna put this back. We're gonna put the wheel and we're gonna turn it on. Before you use it, let it warm like 5 minutes and let's go.